The story of Anomalocaris takes us back over 500 million years. This creature swam in the ancient Cambrian seas. Its fossils were first discovered in Canada's Burgess Shale. This remarkable site captures a snapshot of life in the Cambrian period. The name Anomalocaris means weird shrimp from Canada, and indeed this creature was strange and wonderful. Anomalocaris was an arthropod. Arthropods are a diverse group of animals. They include insects, spiders, and crabs. What set Anomalocaris apart was its size. It could grow up to 2 feet long. This made it a giant in the Cambrian seas. Imagine a creature with a segmented body and 2 stalked eyes. Add to this a pair of spiky appendages. These appendages were used to grasp and manipulate prey. Finally, picture a circular mouth filled with sharp teeth. This was Anomalocaris, the weird shrimp that continues to intrigue scientists today. When Anomalocaris was first discovered, scientists were astounded by its unique and bizarre features. Here was a creature unlike anything alive today, a true marvel of prehistoric marine life. Its size and predatory features led to a startling conclusion that reshaped our understanding of ancient marine ecosystems. Anomalocaris was identified as a top predator of the Cambrian seas, dominating its environment. It was the stuff of nightmares for the trilobites, which were among its primary prey. Trilobites were ancient arthropods with hard shells, providing them some defense against predators. They were incredibly abundant in the Cambrian, thriving in the ancient seas. Scientists believed that Anomalocaris was well equipped to hunt these armored creatures, using its specialized appendages. Its powerful appendages and sharp teeth seemed perfect for crushing the hard shells of trilobites. The image of Anomalocaris as a fearsome predator took hold in the scientific community and popular imagination. It became known as the terror of the trilobites, a relentless hunter in the ancient seas. This perception was further reinforced by the discovery of fossilized trilobite remains with distinct bite marks. Some of these fossils bore bite marks that matched the unique mouthparts of Anomalocaris, providing compelling evidence. It seemed like a clear case of predator and prey, a dynamic that shaped the Cambrian seas. Anomalocaris had secured its place as the first apex predator, a title that carried significant weight. However, the story of this ancient hunter was far from over, as new research continued to emerge. New discoveries and analyses would soon challenge this long-held view, adding more layers to the fascinating tale of Anomalocaris. The evidence for Anomalocaris's predatory prowess seemed compelling. This ancient creature, with its unique body structure and fearsome appendages, captured the attention of paleontologists worldwide. Scientists pointed to the fossilized feces or coprolites found in Cambrian rocks. These coprolites provided a rare glimpse into the diet of ancient marine predators. Some of these coprolites contained trilobite fragments, suggesting a predator-prey relationship. This indicated that something in the Cambrian seas was indeed eating trilobites. The search for this mysterious predator led scientists to Anomalocaris. Anomalocaris, with its formidable appearance, was the prime suspect. Its large, spiny appendages and circular mouthparts seemed perfectly designed for hunting. The trilobite remains in the coprolites seemed to confirm its role as an apex predator. This evidence painted a picture of a dominant hunter in the ancient seas. The evidence appeared to be mounting. Anomalocaris was increasingly seen as the top predator of its time. Anomalocaris was the king of the Cambrian seas. Its dominance was unquestioned, and it ruled with an iron grip. It ruled with its spiky appendages and terrifying mouth. These features made it a fearsome predator capable of taking down even the hardiest of prey. The idea of Anomalocaris as a specialized trilobite hunter became the accepted truth. This narrative was widely embraced by the scientific community. It was featured in documentaries and textbooks. Anomalocaris became a symbol of the Cambrian explosion and its diverse marine life. Anomalocaris was a star of the Cambrian. Its fossils were displayed in museums, captivating the public's imagination. This powerful predator captured the imagination of anyone interested in this crucial period in life's history. Its story was one of dominance and survival. However, the scientific process is about questioning assumptions. New discoveries and analyses often challenge established ideas. New research would soon challenge the reign of Anomalocaris. Scientists began to uncover evidence that suggested a more complex ecosystem. The king was about to be dethroned. The story of Anomalocaris was about to take an unexpected turn. The first cracks in the super predator theory appeared in 2010. Scientists led by James Whitey Hagedorn were studying Anomalocaris fossils. They noticed something peculiar. The mouth parts of Anomalocaris weren't as robust as previously thought. Hagedorn's team used computer modeling to test the strength of these mouth parts. The results were surprising. Anomalocaris's mouth was not strong enough to crush the hard shells of adult trilobites. This finding raised a crucial question. If Anomalocaris couldn't eat adult trilobites, what was it preying on? It seemed unlikely that an animal of its size would be a scavenger. The mystery of Anomalocaris's diet deepened. The scientific community was intrigued. Could there be another explanation for the trilobite remains found in those ancient coprolites? Was there another predator lurking in the Cambrian seas? Or could Anomalocaris have had a different feeding strategy? Section 5. A softer side. New research in 2023 provided further evidence for a revised view of Anomalocaris. Dr. Russell Bicknell, a scientist at the American Museum of Natural History, led the study. His team used advanced three-dimensional modeling techniques. They wanted to understand how Anomalocaris moved and hunted. Their findings challenged the long-held image of Anomalocaris as a powerful crusher of shells. The three-dimensional models revealed something unexpected. Anomalocaris's appendages were better suited for grasping and manipulating soft-bodied prey rather than crushing hard shells. The team also conducted stress tests on the appendages. These tests showed that the appendages would have buckled under the pressure of crushing a trilobite's shell. This further supported the idea that Anomalocaris had a softer diet. The evidence was clear. Anomalocaris was not the terror of the trilobites. It was an agile predator with a taste for softer fare. But what were these softer prey items? To understand Anomalocaris's diet, we need to look closer at its anatomy. Its most striking features were its large, stalked eyes. These eyes were complex, with thousands of lenses. They provided Anomalocaris with exceptional vision. These eyes were not the eyes of a scavenger. They were the eyes of a hunter that needed to see clearly in the dimly lit Cambrian seas. Anomalocaris's eyes allowed it to track prey with precision. Its mouth, while not suited for crushing, was surprisingly complex. It was ring-shaped and lined with sharp teeth. These teeth were perfect for grabbing and tearing soft-bodied prey. The combination of sharp teeth and grasping appendages suggests a diet of soft-bodied creatures. Anomalocaris likely fed on creatures like worms, jellyfish, and other small soft-bodied animals that thrived in the Cambrian seas. Imagine yourself transported back to the Cambrian seas. The water teems with life. Trilobites scuttle along the seabed. Strange, otherworldly creatures drift by. Among them is Anomalocaris. It moves gracefully through the water, its stalked eyes scanning for movement. Anomalocaris spots a group of comb jellies. These gelatinous creatures pulse gently in the current. Anomalocaris approaches stealthily. With a swift movement, it extends its spiky appendages. The appendages close around a comb jelly, trapping it. Anomalocaris brings the helpless creature towards its mouth. The sharp teeth make quick work of the soft, gelatinous prey. This is a more accurate depiction of Anomalocaris, the weird shrimp from Canada. It was not a brutal crusher of shells, but an agile and efficient hunter of softer prey. The story of Anomalocaris is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry, showcasing the relentless pursuit of knowledge that defines the scientific community. It is a story driven by the meticulous work of dedicated scientists who have spent countless hours in the field and lab. These researchers have pieced together the puzzle of Anomalocaris, revealing its secrets bit by bit through careful analysis and collaboration. We owe a debt of gratitude to scientists like Charles Doolittle Walcott, whose pioneering work laid the foundation for future discoveries. He discovered the Burgess Shale in 1909, a site that has become legendary in the field of paleontology. This incredible fossil site yielded the first Anomalocaris fossils, providing a glimpse into a world long gone. His discovery opened a window into the Cambrian world, allowing us to understand the diversity of life during that period. James Whitey Hagedorn's 2010 research challenged the established view of Anomalocaris, sparking new debates and further studies. His work paved the way for a new understanding of this ancient predator, reshaping our knowledge of its ecology and behavior. Dr. Russell Bicknell's 2023 study provided further evidence for a softer diet, using advanced techniques to analyze fossilized remains. He used cutting-edge technology to reconstruct Anomalocaris's movements and feeding habits, offering new insights into its lifestyle. These scientists, along with countless others, have helped us to better understand Anomalocaris, demonstrating the collaborative nature of scientific research. Their work reminds us that science is an ongoing process of discovery, where each new finding builds upon the last. New findings often challenge old assumptions, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and leading to a deeper understanding of the natural world. The revised view of Anomalocaris has significant implications. It forces us to rethink our understanding of the Cambrian explosion. This period saw an unprecedented diversification of life. Anomalocaris played a key role in this complex ecosystem. Anomalocaris was not an isolated predator terrorizing its prey. It was part of an intricate web of life. Its feeding habits influenced the evolution of other creatures in the Cambrian seas. The story of Anomalocaris is a reminder that our understanding of the past is constantly evolving. New discoveries can upend long-held beliefs. It is this constant quest for knowledge that makes paleontology so fascinating. As we continue to explore the fossil record, we can expect to make even more astounding discoveries. The Cambrian period, with its strange and wonderful creatures like Anomalocaris, still holds many secrets waiting to be unlocked.